these artifacts right next to me are Somali tablets referred to as Loox. So these tablets are used to teach kids how to read passages from the holy book that Somali subscribe to, which is the Quran, the holy book in Islam. It's a tablet like an iPad, except it's not electronic. You would actually write passages from the Quran, and you actually had to make everything by yourself, right? So the way they would make their own ink is they would crush up charcoal, and then they would add milk to it. And then afterwards, they would add some sort of an adhesive thing, often the sap of a tree, right? And then that would combine the black color of the charcoal and the consistency of milk, right? And then afterwards, they would write a passage, and then they would read it to their teacher. And then once they're done, they would wash it and reuse it again. Right? So in Somali, this is called Loox, right? And the ink is referred to as qad.